7 double crochet in the same stitch, 2, 7 double crochet and skip 2 stitch, 1, 1, 2, and make single crochet, 1 single crochet here, and skip next stitch and make 7 double crochet in the same stitch again. Repeat the same pattern. I finished 9 patterns now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Now, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I finish 9 patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the rest this side will have 13 stitches. I change color to the red. Start from this. Start to make a single crochet. One, two, three, 3. Make single crochet in each stitch. The second row, 1 chain, turn the work, and 2 single crochet together. 1, 2, and together. And next 9 stitch, make single crochet in each stitch.